Hey there, steak enthusiasts! Ready to master the perfect oven-cooked steak? Let's dive right in. First up, the ingredients. You'll need a 1-pound steak of your choice, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, some kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Simple, right? For thicker steaks like ribeye or filet mignon. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Rub your steak with oil and season it generously with salt and pepper. Step 2. Preheat a large oven-proof skillet, preferably cast iron, over high heat until it's hot enough for a drop of water to sizzle and evaporate. Sear the steak until it forms a deeply golden crust and starts to pull away, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, turn the steak and immediately transfer the skillet to the oven. Step 3. Roast until an instant read thermometer reads 125 degrees for rare, 135 for medium rare, or 145 for medium, about 8 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Let the steak rest for 10 minutes, then slice against the grain. Now, for thinner steaks like flank or skirt. Step 1. Place a rack closest to the broiler and turn on the broiler. On a baking sheet, rub the steak with oil and season generously with salt and pepper. Step 2. Broil the steak, turning halfway through until an instant red thermometer reads 125 for rare, 135 for medium rare, or 145 for medium, about 10 to 12 minutes. Step 3. Let the steak rest for 10 minutes, then slice against the grain. Pro tip: your steak will continue to cook while resting, so err on the side of caution. And don't forget to use a meat thermometer. Want to elevate your steak dinner? Try serving it with red wine butter, Tuscan butter, or cowboy butter. Trust me, it'll be a dinner to remember. Love the recipe? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Catch you in the next one, steak lovers.